Increase the mass of the box to 20 grams total by adding approximately 5 pennies with sticky tack to the bottom of the box. Add 2 hook and loop fasteners to the edge of the box and to the edge of the cart so they are across from each other and at the same height when the bottom of the box is on the table. Secure the small section of straw that you colored with a permanent marker to the light sensor using sticky tack. To prevent some light from transmitting through the cart, add a piece of duct tape along one edge of it. Secure the track and meter stick parallel to each other on the table with sticky tack. Ensure that the end of the track is lined up with the 50 centimeter mark on the ruler. Use 2 pieces of sticky tack to secure the spring scale to the table so that its leading edge just meets the end of the aluminum track. The Newton side of the spring scale should be facing up. Secure the light sensor to the table with sticky tack so that its front edge is at 22 centimeters from the front edge of the track. This will provide about 2 centimeters of space between the front edge of the cart when it leaves the spring scale and where the light sensor is located. Line up the light sensor so it's perpendicular to the track and facing the flashlight on the opposite side of the track. Use sticky tack to secure both to the table. Ensure that the light sensor is about 1 inch in height above the table. Place the box so its hook and loop edge is at 0 centimeters on the ruler, and you should have a full cart length to both the left and right side of the beam of light. The construction of the light sensor LCD display and related microbit and shield system is described in lesson 8. Test the sensor, pressing B on the microbit to confirm that it records the duration that the light is blocked.